वेलकम टू वुकू किड्स, जहाँ पढ़ाई होती है मजेदार। तो जल्दी से लाइक करो और सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि हर दिन सीखो कुछ नया हमारे साथ। The name of this fruit is apple. The name of this fruit is mango. The name of this fruit is grapes. The name of this fruit is guava. The name of this fruit is orange. The name of this fruit is watermelon. The name of this fruit is papaya. The name of this fruit is strawberry. The name of this fruit is cherry. The name of this fruit is banana.